my radish cake. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's vlog we're going to cook radish cake. So usually guys, Chinese New Year is approaching, and radish cake or lopak ko, this is their traditional Chinese cake. So this time I'm gonna teach you how to make a homemade radish cake.
So, ang first natin gagawin, we need to prepare the ingredients of the radish cake. And for the seasoning, I have the white pepper, salt, cooking oil, dried shrimp. Ang gagawin nyo lang po, i-blend ang dried shrimp. And then, I have the Chinese sausage. You just cut it into small cubes. Then, the dry scallop, just soak it into the boiling water. Then white sesame, chicken powder, shallot, and the minced pork. And of course, we have the radish. And next, we're going to marinate the minced pork with light soy sauce, sugar, dark soy sauce, cornstarch, and white pepper. Then, mix well. Ayan guys, medyo matrabaho po ang paggawa ng radish cake. Lalong-lalo na ang pag-prepare ng ingredients. Kailangan natin igisa lahat ng ingredients isa-isa guys. And then, mix them together. Unahin natin ang Chinese sausage. We need to stir fry this hanggang mag-golden brown or lalabas ang mantika. So, ayan guys. Pag nagmantika na and mag-golden brown, ayan, remove it and set aside. Next natin ay ang minced pork. Put a little bit of shallot. Igisa natin ito hanggang mag-golden brown. Then, add the minced pork. Stir fry natin ito guys hanggang sa maluto. And we can season it with a little bit of dark soy sauce to add color. And then, pagluto na po, imimix natin together with the Chinese sausage. And lastly, we stir fry the dry scallop. Put the dry scallop, add a little bit of water, season it with white pepper, sugar, and light soy sauce. Hayaan natin itong maluto or hanggang sa mag-dry po. So, ito guys, ang 3 main ingredients ng aking radish cake. Ayan, mix them together and set aside. Ayan guys, pagkatapos natin ma-ready ang mga ingredients, ang next ay ang radish. Balatan po natin at hugasan. Ayan guys, is-shredded natin ang radish. If you have the food processor, you can use that. So ayan guys, pagkatapos nating mas-shredded ang radish, bring to boil, but remember not to add any water. Dahil ang radish po guys, pag naluto ito ay magtutubig. Ayan guys. Ayan guys, lutuin natin ang radish hanggang sa malambot. Ayan, nakikita nyo may tubig na. So, ang gagawin natin, kukuhanin natin ang water ng radish. Ito ang gagamitin nating pang-mix mamaya sa rice flour. And remember guys, it's hot, so you need to leave it for at least 2 minutes before mixing the rice flour. Now, ihahalo na natin ang whole pack of rice flour, then mix well. Ayan guys, unahin natin ihalo ang cooking oil, then mix well bago natin ilagay ang half of the radish. So ayan guys, half lang po muna ang ihalo ko kasi pag whole po, mahihirapan po akong mag-mix. And every Chinese New Year, ginagawa ko po ito. And sometimes, nakakagawa ako ng mga 40 to 50 tray. And for this recipe guys, since I start vlogging, they've been requesting me to cook this one. Pero nakikita nyo, ang hirap po kasi ang procedure ng paggawa nito, kaya hindi ko nagagawa. Ngayon lang po, kasi malapit na ulit ang Chinese New Year. So ang next natin ilalagay ay ang dried shrimp, chicken powder, sugar, white pepper, salt, and the ingredients. And guys, mix well and then try the taste. It should be balanced, the sweetness and the saltiness of the radish cake. So, usually guys, ang radish cake, medyo slightly salty po ang lasa. So, ang gagamitin natin baking tray guys ay ang aluminum tray. Ayan, spread a little bit of oil bago nyo ilagay ang radish. And guys, bago natin i-steam, ayan, sprinkle a little bit of the toppings. Kuha lang po kayo sa ingredients. Ayan ang gagamitin natin toppings ng radish cake. And then, using the aluminum foil, cover it before steaming guys. Ayan. We need to steam this for at least 1 hour. And guys, after 1 hour, ito na ngayon ang ating radish cake. And for the toppings, sprinkle a little bit of spring onion and parsley on top of the radish cake. And lastly, sprinkle the roasted sesame seed. So, ito na guys ang ating radish cake.